Dun, dun. Okie dokie. It is Tuesday. It is July 6th, 2021. It is Vlog 119. Yeah, it's Tuesday. Yesterday I did not do a Vlog. We're out late. We had dinner with Dave and Jackie, and it was fun. But let's see. Do I need a tuning? Actually, I already did my tunings today, so I won't do it today. And today was a nice day, actually. Kind of busy. We had a lot of DIY work, but I want to recap on, I guess, the weekend because it was 4th of July weekend. Fun, fun, fun. I'll start on Saturday because I think Friday I already talked about. Yeah. Actually, Friday, Carrie started to feel sick that night, and it was kind of crazy because Carrie wasn't feeling good this weekend, so I was taking care of her all weekend. Let's see. Monday, oh yeah, I did talk about that on that. Saturday, let's see. Actually, I had a quote of the day. I saw something really cool. It was funny. I was watching a skateboard video. I like to look up like good quotes. And it was the new girl skate video. It's kind of crazy. It was called, and it said, "Together there is more of us. Together there is more of us." I like that saying. It's kind of cool. I'll use that sometime. It's kind of cool. Carrie was still not feeling well on Saturday, so I had to go to DII to handle a rental pickup, which was really cool. Met God, what was his name? I forgot what his name was, but it was good. It was good. I love sharing how to play the handpan with people because they get so excited. It's like the smile on their face is so awesome. So, and just to hear like when they hear the vibration or feel the vibration of the handpan, they're like, yeah, it's awesome. I need to play that. But it was good. Had that, and then actually that Saturday we did not do a Saturday show because it was before July 4th. So we just kind of like had a vacation weekend this weekend, and it was kind of weird. I didn't know what to do, so I just chilled out all day. Carrie was sick, so we didn't really do anything and just hung out. And then Sunday, same thing. It was 4th of July. We usually don't go out, and we didn't. Carrie wasn't feeling good, so we just stayed home. And it's kind of funny because every year, like during 4th of July, like we're right by the beach, and like people always come down here late or early to get a spot on the beach, and then during the fireworks the same thing, so parking's like crazy around here. This year it was kind of mellow, but every year there's usually like traffic and all kinds of stuff and just drunk people everywhere. It's pretty funny. And we sit out on our balcony and watch the show, and that's pretty exciting. And actually from our balcony we can usually see fireworks and stuff, so it's not like we're missing anything, but it's nice just to chill. 4th of July, we like to chill because everybody gets kind of crazy on 4th of July. And that's what I did. I basically played music all day. I was playing my ukulele, handpan, and it was fun. Yesterday, Monday, was it's slow but then busy. Woke up at around 9. I was like kind of like in a blah mode. I actually wrote this down. I just had a lot to think about. I wrote this down. There's been a lot that has changed. So like I'm trying to change the way I think or pre-program myself to be open to new ideas because there's a lot of different things happening. And actually I wonder what to do. Like the things I've been thinking about is like my ukulele goals, just music wise. Right now it's totally changed with the looper because that helps with songs. I just made my first song and I'm pretty excited about that, and I'm trying to think of new songs to write. I don't know. I'm just in this musical mode. It's kind of cool. And that goes along with learning how to loop and stuff like that. And then handpan goals, I've been loving that because right now I'm working on that program for sound tuning. I've done a sound massage, and then I was throwing around names, but actually I think it's coming down to sound experience because I want to give people a sound experience that'll help power or help charge their power centers and hopefully help relieve anxiety, stress, depression, put you in a better mood, and also help you spiritually too, which is cool. Let's see what I want to do as a video producer. That's been coming up. I like, I don't know which route I want to take on that. We have hot coffee, what that goes with the video producer represents. We have DII, and then working on the sound experience. That's what I did. So those are things that are on my mind. We're just working on different little programs within that, and then I'm trying not to get lost on like the major goals that we want to accomplish. So yeah, a lot to think about, but it's fun. It's fun. Actually, coming to this age of 50, it's pretty exciting because all your experiences right now are being put to the test, and it's pretty awesome. I feel like I've done a lot in life, and it's helping me. It's kind of cool. Then I cleaned house, did laundry yesterday. Yeah, I did a lot of we cleaned and I did the laundry. Yeah, got all that done. It's kind of good to get my chores done. I've been getting my chores done early, and actually, again, I think I talked about this. I saw someone doing that. They're just getting their chores done, and then they have time to do whatever they want to do, and that's what I've been doing. Then we had dinner with Dave and Jackie, and that was awesome. And yeah, I have a little bit of video from that, so I will put it here. All right, it's July 5th. We're going out to dinner with Dave. It's gonna be fun. Our first thing canceled. We were supposed to go to the Socialist, so now we're going.
I was looking forward to those Brussels sprouts.
Yes. Oh yeah, the Brussels sprouts. But anyways, we're going to another spot. You know what? Long Beach has some great restaurants, and we're gonna go check out Utopia. So let's go check out Utopia. I don't know whose birthday are we celebrating. I think it was for your birthday, right?
I think it was for mine, but it's Jackie's birthday. Jackie
Just
had
kidding,
a
yeah.
birthday too, so I say we celebrate
Both of our birthdays. All right.
It's the girl birthday night.
There it is. That's Carrie's calling it.
But
So.
I can't have cake.
Oh well. But anyways, she's getting ready for Tulum. But anyways, we're about to get out of here, and we gotta go, and we'll see you in a minute. All right, we just got here. Woo! And we're going to Utopia. We haven't been here since Carrie's, what birthday?
35th?
35th birthday, this spot right here.
Right?
It was kind of a while ago. So,
I think it was.
so we're here. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, this is a cool thing right here. Bang. Are they outside? Oh. Whoa, in the bar. Oh yeah, we should totally do this.
I know, we should eat outside.
I don't know.
If I have anything outside, there'll be a few minutes for.
That's fine, we're waiting for them.
We're waiting for everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this lady.
Okay.
Cool, are you the owner? Yeah. Utopia in the house, dude. Good spot. Oh yeah, for sure. We're getting drinks. Let's go. Whoa. Yeah, it's been a long time in here. Wow, look at your favorite, Carrie, books. And it smells like it too. Oh my god, it's so dope. Alright, we're getting some drinks at the bar. Pretty nice. Let's see. We got here to Utopia, and we were thinking about sitting inside, but it's kind of warm. It's really nice right now, and I think we're gonna be outside here, and we got the corner spot. Yeah. Cool beans. Utopia. I forgot what we ate here, but it should be pretty good. It's nice. Take a look. All right.
This is Linden. Yeah.
Linden and
Linden and First.
Linden and First. All right, we're waiting for Dave. See you in a minute. We got the corner spot.
Daniel.
Yeah. Of course.
Here
they are.
I'm so glad we dressed up.
Happy birthday.
What?
Friday.
She dressed up.
Friday.
Yeah, makeup on her.
Yeah. I'm having fun with
They're
it.
here. We're gonna
Yeah,
talk.
we're up.
Yeah.
Like this all glass Airbnb place where you can have like massages and like a sweat lodge. Do you guys know what a sweat lodge is? Yeah, so you could do like a sweat lodge or like a ceremony or whatever. So we might do something like that. But like it's your Carrie's telling a story. Yeah, because I don't.
Bam. And that was just our little experience at Dave's, or with Dave and Jackie. We were supposed to go to Socialist, which is on 4th Street, which is a really good restaurant. But they were closed. So we had alternate plans, and we went to Utopia on Linden and First in downtown Long Beach. And actually, me and Carrie were talking about, because I think it was her, she was saying, was it our 35th or 36th birthday? Because at that time we used to go to downtown a lot, because like just down the street from Utopia, there's a little underground bar dance place that we used to go to. And I think that night, that's what we did. We went to Utopia for dinner for her birthday, either her 36th birthday, and then went dancing over at the spot. But we haven't been there since then, and that is a long time ago. 10 years maybe. So we went back, and actually it was really nice. As you saw, they have like this little outside place that we sat out in the corner, and it was very nice. The owner was cool, the food was great, and the conversation was excellent, and the friendship was awesome. So thank you, Dave and Jackie. It was kind of funny because we were supposed to do this a while back because they wanted to take us out for Carrie's birthday, her 50th, and and we ended up doing it there. But Jackie just recently had a birthday, so it was kind of like a combined thing, and it was cool just to hang out. This was I think the first time we've gone out to dinner with them after the COVID restrictions have lifted, and we could do stuff like that. So it was really good, great food, good conversation, awesome. But actually afterwards, like I was filming and I left my camera. That's bad when you have a small camera. I was just looking at that too. I don't even have it with me. Oh, it's on the charger. But I was just looking at my Osmo Pocket. It's smaller than my phone. That's pretty crazy, actually. I was like thinking about that. I have a camera that's smaller than my phone. But I left it on the table, and we drove all the way back home, and I was like, oh, my camera. So we drove back, and the waiter's all, hey, did you forget something? And they had it. It was cool. So great experience. Utopia on First and Linden in downtown Long Beach. Great spot to eat. Actually, there's a lot of different spots to eat, and it's right next to the art district. So, that area is turning out pretty cool. So if you guys want to get something to eat, that's cool. But today, we had the floor guy come today. Actually, we're getting our rent has raised. But so we decided to go, hey, you know what? Our kitchen floor has been needing to do that. Actually, our whole kitchen needs to be redone. So I think they're going through the process. The first thing is the floor. So we're getting our floor redone. Cool. And then DIY work all morning. Carrie's been fighting with the website for DIY. There's been some payment issues or something like that. So she's been trying to figure that out. I've been working on DIY videos, following up with customers, and taking care of that, and did a lot of that. And actually just finished up with a lesson with Hadley, and that's awesome. Got to hear her voice today, which is really cool, and she's getting better at ukulele. So Hadley, keep on strumming ukulele. It's funny because she still did her lesson and she's in Arizona right now on vacation. So awesome. That's so funny. But I just finished that and now I'm kind of hungry. I've been on a juice diet today, so I think I need a little snack. I gotta go find a snack. So I'm gonna go do that, and the rest of the night, I'm not sure what I'm doing. Probably working on, oh yeah, I'm gonna work on some edits. So I'm gonna be working on some video edits and stuff. So, but other than that, that's all I have for me today, and it is Tuesday, July 6th. July is rolling. I can't believe it's July 6th. We keep on every day. Actually, from now, like once you get halfway, it just gets faster and faster. It's kind of crazy. We're already talking about the holidays. What else is coming up? Mexico trip. Getting prepared for that. That's gonna be fun. I can't wait to just get away. And yeah, that's all I have for me today. July 6th, 2021, Vlog 119. And like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele.